Earn $5 per click. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 4 sites you can go to sign up for free and earn $5 per click. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. So I'm going to share with you actually 4 sites, as I said earlier here. You don't have to you don't need any previous experience at all to get started with this. I'm also going to share with you a cool method you can get started to actually promote this with your links there and do it totally free. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the first site that we are going to have a look at, you might have seen this before, it is Dosh.Cash, which is a cashback site. Alright, so you're probably saying, how do you know that you can make $5? Well, what many of you haven't paid close attention to is this one, because you get actually paid $5 every time you refer a friend to Dosh, and then when they sign up, of course, with links and a verified card. So what you do is you grab your referral link there, you sign up first, of course, you grab your referral link, and all you need to do is promote that link. So every time someone clicks on that link, signs up, you make $5 on that. So Dosh.Cash, a great app that you can actually make money, is a cashback site also. A cashback app, I'm sorry. So you make money by shopping and dining out actually, besides the referral program. But if you want to, you can only focus on the referral program there as well. Alright, let's move on to the next site there, and that is another cashback site, which is gocashback.com. So you can see here, you browse Go Cashback, you choose from thousands of stores, you follow the link to your favorite store or deal or purchase as normal, and cashback is added to your account there. So you request your payment, you get paid via check, PayPal or Alipay. So it works more or less pretty similar to Dosh, but you actually search here in the Go Cashback site. Now, by having a closer look at the frequently asked questions, you can see here that there is a reward and bonus. So what is the Refer a Friend program? Not only can you receive cashback for shopping, but you can also be rewarded for referring your friends. You will receive $5 for each friend you refer to gocashback.com. So there you have it, just for signing up, your friends will receive $5 registration bonus in their account. So that is another cool benefit you can use. Do you want to earn $5 straight away when you sign up? Just sign up here through my link, so they will receive a $5 in registration bonus there as well. So have a closer look at it at gocashback.com. Alright, let's move on to something different here, and that is actually a site called Ivyshot.com. So what is Ivyshot? It is actually an app, these two, and Ivyshot connects high school students with undergrad advisors from leading college for 1 hour voice or voice call. So if I scroll down a little bit, it gives high schoolers access to a network of undergrad advisors at their favorite colleges to get advice on college, careers and life. So that is what Ivyshot is all about. And what we are interested in is the referral. So refer a friend to earn $5 or more per successful referral. So you can see here you can earn anywhere from $5 up to $8 for each high school student you refer who completes their first call. So as I said, I'm going to explain, bear with me a few minutes here, on how you can get started to promote and make money with this actually. But you can see here the first referral gives you $5, the second one gives you $5.50, third to six, $6, $6.50, and it goes up all the time. So on an average fee you can see here it's $6.72, which is not bad at all in my opinion, okay? So have a look at it on ivyshot.com/refer. Alright, let's move on to number 4 here, and that is Swagbucks. Swagbucks actually gives you $5 when you have signed up and you refer a friend who signs up there and gets started with Swagbucks. Now Swagbucks is a very popular site and app. You earn points by shopping online, watching videos, search the web, answering surveys, and find great deals to earn your points there. So besides a referral program, you can actually get started with this to do all these things here as they mentioned here. So you can make money with it by shopping, answering surveys, watching videos, discover offers, search the web, play games, and there is also the mobile app there. Okay, so they do have a referral program inside here also, and as I said, you can make $5 easily there when someone signs up, when you have already signed up there, of course, also. Now to actually show you on how you can get started with this method is really cool and easy and free way, and that is to actually go to Facebook. You can see here what you do is you go to Make Money Online groups. There is tons of people who are promoting and also tons of people who are searching in these groups here for Make Money Online opportunities every single day. Okay, so by just having a quick look here, you can see here we have the first group. There is 74,135 members. Okay, so imagine to expose yourself. What you need to do here is to have a cool graphic, should be grabbing attention, should grab the attention there, and of course something cool in copy. Okay, so I mean, just a quick way. Are you a high school student or something like that, want to earn $5 per friend you refer or something like that, then comment in the section below. Okay, you can actually post a link, but I think you will have more engagement if you just tell them to PM me or type $5 or something like that below in the section, and then you send them a PM, a private message to all these people there. So you will definitely have a much better conversion rate actually, to be honest there. But you can of course just post your link inside here. You can see here, look at this opportunity, cost $10, lose weight, reduce body fat. This is totally unrelated here for Make Money Online, but you can see here only $7, new push button. So if you want to mine Bitcoin in an easy, safe and fast way, ask me how. Okay, there you have it. This is a cool way, as I said earlier here. So you will get much better exposure and of course engagement there. Okay, I'm going to pay you your way in. This starts to have some engagement here, you can see it. So use your imagination. You need to post more or less on a daily basis so it won't get lost. This is another group. Let's see how many members are here. We have 10,000 members here, so let's go back to the discussion. Free Kindle books daily. So as I said, use your imagination. You can grab a picture if you're good at graphics. If not, you can outsource it. Go to Fiverr or something like that. Just make sure it is an attention grabbing headline or something, so people really draw the attention there. Make easy $5 or something like that. So I mean, There's so many ways to do this. What I would do actually is I would more or less post a few times a day. Be careful in the beginning actually, go and post in different groups, post twice daily, post once, but make sure you experiment and see what converts for you, okay? So by just having one post, you can see nothing happened here, nothing happens there. So I mean, you need to experiment until you can make people want them to click. The time can also depend, it depends on the time also. It can be bad timing when you post, so make sure you post when you see a lot of activities. There is another way also to make money with this, okay? You can see here, this guy posted below here, pretty similar ads here also. I will pay for you. So you see here, it has some attention. So there you have it. This is just one way actually. Another way would be to, let's say for example, if you have a big Twitter account, you can do it on Twitter, Pinterest, or why not even YouTube actually. Make a video about it, promote, make $5 or something like that. Pretty similar to what I did here, but put your link down there in the description below, and of course you will earn the referral there. There you have it. You're probably not going to get rich with this method. If you're interested, as I said in the beginning, to make a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.